Ocean Beach, California, and Ocean Beach is one of the nicest beach communities. It's a little bit, it's definitely one of the most laid-back beach communities. Not what I would definitely say upscale, but that doesn't mean much when you're in San Diego and you want to run around in flip-flops and hang out and get some sunshine, do some surfing and hanging out at the beach. Ocean Beach is a great place to do that, and you can see there's a lot of surfers out in the water today. Surf's a little bit small, but hey, it's a great day for longboards out here. And a lot of people out swimming. And if we back it up a little bit here, you can kind of see Ocean Beach going to the beach area itself. Of Ocean Beach here. We've got the Ocean Beach, the Ocean Beach Lifeguard Tower right here. And it's just another beautiful Sunday afternoon here in San Diego. So if you're looking for a place to come hang out and spend a day, come on out to Ocean Beach. Basically what I did. I said, you know what, it's a beautiful Sunday, I'm getting out of the house, I'm going to OB. If you watch any of the videos I've just posted, I just got done having lunch at the Ocean Beach Pier Cafe, which is right here at the end of the pier where I'm shooting from. See, there's a lot of surfers out in the water today. Set. So here's the Ocean Beach Pier, which is what I'm shooting from right now, and you can see there where it says cafe. If you're looking for a great place to have lunch, breakfast, or dinner, the Ocean Beach Cafe is a great place to do that. And you can get more information on the Ocean Beach Cafe on our SoCal Beaches blog, where I've posted many articles about that place. Probably post another one today. www.socalbeaches.blog. You can also go to our main website, which is www.socalbeachmag.net. And of course, our Ocean Beach website, which is www.oceanbeachonline.com. And this is definitely the California lifestyle here. People hanging out in the water, surfing. Some girls out there on the beach in sunny Ocean Beach, California.